After that, we go back to the iADB app, and here we simply tap the Start button. If it looks like this, that means the iADB app is now active. In this video, I will show you how to use the iADB app. This app works similarly to Shizuku. So, if you're having issues or problems with Shizuku, you can use this app as an alternative. The setup process for the iADB app is quite easy. First, on the main screen, tap on the pairing menu. For the first step, we need to enable developer options on our Android phone. In my case, developer options are already enabled. If yours is not enabled yet, you will need to activate it first. The steps may be slightly different depending on your phone brand. Usually, you can go to Settings, tap About Phone, then select Software Information, and tap Build Number 7 times until developer options are enabled. After that, go into Developer Options. Here, the setting we need to turn on is Wireless Debugging if we only want to use the iADB app on our Android phone. If you want to connect your phone to a computer, then you can enable USB debugging. If not, you can just leave it turned off. Next, tap Wireless Debugging again, choose Paired Device, and enter the pairing code in the notification bar. Then tap Send. Once the pairing is successful, go back to the iADB app and tap Start. If it looks like this, then the iADB app is now active. If you want to use iADB with other apps, such as Zarchiver or AppOps, go to the Permissions menu and enable the apps from there. So that's how you can activate and use the iADB app as an alternative to Shizuku.